worm just hit our entire supply chain.
Humans, minus 8K. AI, plus 135 billion.
So, your entire stack is basically just one big Copilot prompt now? Hey, if it compiles and the lemur doesn't scream, I'm not questioning it.
For the next magic trick, I will need the PocketOS database. Abracadabra! Ta-da!
With the help of the Treasury system, I will rule the world! This is the 15th time the agentic workflow timed out. GitHub can't handle AI agents. Who is going to buy them from Microsoft and fix this?
I'm way too excited about my new open source Warp terminal.
There is no Kate.
Cryptocurrencies are a scam. $70K plus laid off in 2026. I'm one of them.
What do you get when you cross an iPhone with Google's AI? A serious upgrade.